Well guys, this afternoon we're going to be fishing some farm ponds. Yellow and black beetle spin.
My new personal best.
Well, I'm fishing down here in this pond, got hung up, got my beetle spin hung up. Justin just went to get the 22. He's going to shoot that lemon too where I don't lose my lure. I'm going to pull that limb up to the top of the water, and I'm going to say right where that stick comes up, you can shoot the lemon to right there. I might get my lure back. Justin's pretty confident that I'm getting my lure back. Got a little cricket 22. Bad thing is, it is a single shot, so it's going to take a little bit between shots. That's it. That's how you get your lure back when you hang up in a stick.
Can you see? See him swimming across there?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Well, we can see a bunch of smaller bass swimming around in there, and they're not too much interested, so thought I'd try a little something a little bit smaller here. Little white and silver body on it. Alright. I made, I don't know, 2 or 3 casts with that color change. And these are about the size of the bass we've been seeing swimming around. Got some rain blowing in. Hear the frogs singing over there. Another fish that's a little better than what we've been catching. Now that jig right there kind of has a thicker body, a little bit bigger. I'm wondering if that bigger lure is producing a little bit bigger fish. That one a little deeper, you think?
Well, I stood right at that rock and I casted straight out toward the corner over there, and I caught him. Sorry, rocking. I caught him probably right about there.
Okay, so that wasn't too deep, huh? Oh, he swam the wrong way too. He don't know which way to go, he's lost. Guys, I thought I was done for the day, so I'd put the camera back in the truck, but I got hung up and lost my lure, but I tied on, it's got scum all over it, this rattle trap or lipless crankbait. Maybe the first bite I've got on that lure today, but pretty good bass right here. There he goes.